Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever asked an AI to build a website only to get something that looks broken or just plain weird? Today, we're looking at a fascinating new paper that explains why this happens and proposes a clever solution. The core problem is that most code-generating AIs are like chefs who can't see or taste their own food. They can follow the recipe, which is the code, and they know if the oven is on, meaning the code runs without errors. But they have no idea if the final website actually looks good or if the buttons work as intended. To solve this, researchers created a system called WebGen Agent, which gives the AI a sense of sight and the ability to test its own creations. The process is an iterative loop. The agent writes some code, then takes a screenshot of the resulting web page. Another AI, a visual language model, then acts like an art critic. It looks at the screenshot, gives the appearance a score from 0 to 5, and provides written feedback like the colors are disharmonious or the components are misaligned. But looks aren't everything, so a different GUI agent then acts like a user. It programmatically clicks on buttons, fills out forms, and navigates through the site to test its functionality, also providing a score and suggestions for fixes. The main AI then takes all this visual and functional feedback to refine the code in the next step, repeating the process until the website is perfect. It even has a backtracking mechanism, so if it makes 5 mistakes in a row, it reverts to a previous, better version. The results of this approach are dramatic. As you can see in this table, their WebGen agent took a powerful model like Claude 3.5, Sonnet, and nearly doubled its accuracy on a website generation test, jumping from 26% to almost 52%. The visual proof is even more compelling. These images show websites generated by the original AI models on the left, which are often blank pages or a total mess. On the right, you can see the polished and functional websites created after the WebGen agent's iterative refinement process. But here's the most brilliant part of the paper. They use this entire feedback system to train smaller, open-source AIs. By using the visual and functional scores as a reward at each step, they can effectively teach the AI what good web design looks and feels like. This method, called StepGRPO, significantly improves the performance of these smaller models, making them far more capable. So, let's recap the key takeaways. The WebGen agent gives AI the crucial visual and user interaction feedback it has been missing, allowing it to build high-quality websites through trial and error. Then, it cleverly uses the scores from this feedback as a dense reward signal to effectively train smaller AI models to become expert web developers. This research represents a major step towards a future where anyone can generate a beautiful, fully functional website simply by describing what they want. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.